This episode is brought to you by My Patriot Supply. My Patriot Supply is to stock up on your food items and to make sure that you're prepared if you have any emergency preparedness needed. In fact, they have a 4-week emergency supply, and which averages 2,000 calories a day, and you can read on the website of how to go, survival supplies and emergency preparedness gear. They also have several items: water filtration, air purification, survival coffee, and they have the option to buy now and pay later. So, My Patriot Supply. Go to jjmediaonline.net/MyPatriotSupply for your products. Okay, let's get on to the video. Many have been saying it, and now we have basically proof. Fauci is kind of part of the deep state. Leaked emails show Fauci was called Hillary's doctor admirer. Wanted Hillary to know we all love her. Dr. Anthony Fauci has emerged as a key figure as President Donald Trump wages a two-pronged attack against both the coronavirus and the disinformation campaign about it led by Democrats and the establishment media. A favorite among Democrats, Fauci, one of the nation's top infectious disease experts, has become a lightning rod of controversy as reporters have attempted to bait him into contradicting the president and vice versa. Emails obtained by hackers and released by WikiLeaks years ago are still guiding part of the national conversation in 2020. In fact, I wasn't going to do it, but let's just go ahead and see what. Here we go. U.S. classified from Anthony Fauci. Anyone who has any doubts about the secretary's stamina and capability following her illness had those doubts washed away by today's performance. And warm regards, Tony. Anthony Fauci, right there. Boom. I'll keep this up. I'll put the link there. That is the proof. He was kind of part of Hillary. But, okay, she's faced, anyone who had any doubts, this is what the email I just read, capability of following her illness, had any doubts washed away by today's performance before the Senate and the House. She faced extremely difficult circumstances at the hearings. Still, she hit it out of the park. In forwarding the email to Clinton, Mills wrote that the message was from your doctor admirer. Let's see. Let's see if it shows it. Oh, right there. From your doctor admirer. He's caught. He's caught. In fact, the doting email raises more questions about the doctor's motives in helping the president guide the country through its unprecedented crisis, even if they are only questions. While there is certainly nothing wrong with Fauci being friends with or admiring a public official, it could be problematic from an optic standpoint given his influence. So he is deep state. That's to me, that clears it up. So again, I'll leave this a link to the Hillary email, and we'll go on. Okay, you know how the liberals are always going gun control, gun control, gun control. You know, we know better, gun control. Gun store owner relays epic stories as libs become victims of own gun control laws. I'm just going to chuckle at this. Firearms are a hot commodity during a national crisis, such as the coronavirus pandemic, when people have concerns about their health, safety, and civil liberties. Nationwide, more guns were sold in March than any month in our country's history. Even in deep blue California, get this, in California, people have lined up to purchase firearms in record numbers. But now we're hearing what it's like to be in the firearms businesses in the Golden State during the pandemic. And the amusing and frustrating stories of Californians who are appalled at finding out the real-world consequences of their state's continued voting for anti-gun Democrats. Think of that. The firearms seller told Davis that he has never seen anything like the recent influx of citizens looking to arm themselves. As the owner of an indoor shooting range and gun store here in California these past 14 years, we have never experienced such a huge demand for firearms and ammunition, even higher than the famous Obama rush 2012-2013. He then described how hazardous it has been selling guns in recent weeks to people with zero background or knowledge about the safe handling of firearms. So basically, again, I'll leave this link. Read it yourself. I just like bringing up info, showing you, connecting you to info about the liberals. They are crashing all around. A lot of people vote for liberals and really don't know what they stand for. This is all crashing down around them. God is helping us as a country. And I believe this is driving us back to what we used to be, driving us back to God, opening liberals' eyes, and in November, it's going to be a crushing defeat of the liberal agenda. I really, really feel that. Thanks for watching. We ask you to subscribe, share, and connect with us on our social media channels. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.